I thought I already locked it. Get over here. Do you think that your item secure even you have already locked it? People nowadays have a lot of ways to open our padlock. What if I told you that your padlock could only recognize you and only you?
Who, me?
No, you. Hi everyone, my name is Umar Tarmizi, and today I am going to show you the new innovative technology that can prevent our item being stolen. Let me introduce Smart Padlock.
Smart Padlock! Smart Padlock! What is Smart Padlock, Uma? How is Smart Padlock working? Are you sure this could prevent our item from being stolen?
Don't worry, I got you. And I will answer all of your questions. Smart Padlock is a padlock that has a high security system. The security system consists lots of features such as fingerprint authorization, PIN code, and also built with alarm. By using this smart padlock, you can protect your item from any unauthorized user.
So how is Smart Padlock working?
It's easy. EASY. Easy.
First, you need to download Smart Padlock apps.
Then, you need to connect your padlock with the apps. Once it's already connected, you can set the passcode of your padlock and you can scan your fingerprint. After finish authentication, you're good to go. These apps will notify you if there's any unauthorized user that try to unlock your padlock.
Are you sure this can prevent our item from being stolen?
Yes, of course, because this smart padlock also built with alarm that will notify on your phone. And smart padlock will ring in for 15 minutes after 5 unsuccessful attempts to unlock your padlock. It's only 79 ringgit. You can say goodbye to the security problem and say hello to the world without a crime. That's all from me. Remember, your padlock could recognize you,
Me?
only you.